Okay, so we are in. I don't want to say like final stretch because I know we have some time to go, but we're in the thick of like we want it to be spring, but we're just not there yet.
But yeah, I felt like Cam gave us some great advice. Us coming out of our first winters living here, she said, just pretend March is still winter.
Which is so hard.
Because it is.
It is, yeah.
So challenging.
But then she also said, and this is the important part, great things are coming.
That is true.
Yeah.
That is true.
It is
Positive.
very true. Yeah. And there's going to be some wintertime vibes over the next 7 days, although tomorrow will be closer to average with respect to temperatures and a fairly quiet day. We do have some clouds drifting through from west to east and a clipper passing well to the north of Maine, but its front will get into the state, and that's what triggers the isolated snow showers up in the mountains. Tomorrow, again, I think tomorrow is a slightly nicer day than today was in that it'll be sunny to partly cloudy with clouds not thickening up until the mid to late parts of the afternoon. That will allow temps to get up into the middle and upper 40s, maybe a few spots into the lower 50s in southern Maine. But the clouds thicken up and a heartier clipper comes through with way more moisture with it on Thursday morning. This one will deliver rain at the coast and inland with the transition to snow as you gain latitude and elevation. So the mountains and the northern half of the state catch some snow, but we're going to be in the warm sector of this first area of low pressure Thursday afternoon. This front tries to get through. It's going to be weak. And Thursday, I mean, during the daytime hours, like the afternoon, it's going to get mild, 50s, maybe some low 60s out there. And then another low crosses us way to the south of New England. And this model, I'm thinking, is too aggressive with the snow output. And the reason the thinking on that is that way is because we're expecting colder air to be filtering in on Friday, but I don't think it's going to come in quick enough to yield snow with this chance for precipitation. I still think the temperatures are going to be a little bit higher. They might even be in the 40s Friday morning. But I think this model is too fast with how cold it gets Friday morning. That's why it's showing snow. I think it's plausible there is rain. This would be an outside chance. And whatever happens, I don't think it really matters because, Saturday it's going to be getting cold, like frigid cold, middle of wintertime feeling cold. Teens and single digits in the morning. We'll have clearing skies, and the afternoon, despite sunny skies, stay in the mid to low 30s for the highs, 20s to the north. So big cool down, but one day only, I think, on Saturday. 3 to 5 foot seas tomorrow, west wind 10 to 20 knots. We have a small craft advisory that'll be in effect through 9 in the morning. So quiet Wednesday. Morning showers Thursday, northern snow and mountain snow. Then it's quiet for the afternoon. Another precip chance Friday morning. Temperatures crash after that. Temperatures, they could easily be in the 30s Friday afternoon. And then Saturday's the cold day with a quick recovery in the temps. Still cold at night, but, Saturday cold, but it's like a touch and go at an airport. Yeah.
And airports are very, very talked about these days.
Right now, yeah. So it's
touch and go if you're lucky.
It'll be
lucky
brief.
in the airport.
Yeah, it'll be a brief, cold snap, but we'll get through it.
Yes.